Now that you know the charges for all the common elements, it's time to bond them. But first, you need to understand the periodic table. There's two main types, metals and nonmetals. Everything to the left of the staircase are metals. Everything to the right are nonmetals. There's alkali metals, alkali earth, transitional metals, and of course the other metals. Now with this periodic table, you can tell how much valence electrons an atom have. First we need to go over the structure of an atom. So you have the protons and the neutrons in the nucleus, and then around it is electron clouds. The outermost electrons are called the valence electrons. Okay, now to tell how much valence electrons an element have on the periodic table, basically just count the columns. The first column have 1 valence electron. Second one has 2 valence electrons. You skip these transitional metals for now because we're gonna learn how to find the valence electrons for these when we start learning about electron configuration in the future. And then let's continue. 3 VE, 4 VE, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the maximum number of valence electrons an element can have is 8. You have the nucleus. First shell can only contain 2 valence electrons. The next one can contain 8. And the one after that, also 8. Okay, I forgot something important, and that is this is called 1 electron shell. And all the shells combined is called the electron cloud. And now we also need to know how to find the charges for these elements. And what we do is just by going through the groups again. First group have a charge of 1 plus. They have 1 extra electron because they have 1 valence electron and therefore they have 1 extra. The second one is 2 plus. And then we skip these again. 3 plus, 4 plus, and now we come backwards. It becomes 3 minus, 2 minus, and 1 minus. Now, because 4 is in the middle, it can be a plus or a minus.